Hello everyone, Kumel here, and today I have this Harbor Breeze Calera. I took it out my mom's room and I put it in my room. Changed out the light kit and put a long down rod on it. The long down rod is from the Huntington that I took down. I had to replace the capacitor too. It actually looks way better and it runs really good. It wobbles a bit, but yeah, who cares? Oh, by the way, the reason the pool chair sounds like that is because I don't know why, but it seems like these older Harbor Breeze fans like typically has fast low speeds, and you can see it's swaying. That's not from the blade. It's not from the blades. It's just because of the pool chair. See, that looks like a medium speed, but it's low. And these rooms needed long downrouted fans. I don't know why the installers put the Harbor Breeze Triton on the short downrod, but I had to throw away the Harbor Breeze Triton because I couldn't find the remote. I think that's medium speed. Yeah, that's medium speed. Before I balanced it, medium speed wobbled way more than high speed, but almost no wobble at all. Yeah, this could be a high speed. We're gonna go on the high speed because I don't have a lot of time. Here's high speed. Sorry about that camera angle. I'm playing it on my right hand. Good air mover. Pretty silent. Yeah, the original light kit is on the fan in the living room. I don't like the original light kit. But I plan on putting this craft-made patio fan up in my living room soon, because that also blows a good air, and plus the fan in there has a long down rod that can actually fit that one, so it will work pretty well in there. And the fan that's actually in my living room right now has the back capacitor. So yeah, as soon as I get the chance, I'm replacing the living room fan with the craft-made patio fan. It's gonna be way good. It's gonna blow a lot of air. Let me just. This is a good fan. Thank you all for watching and hope you have a good day.